Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. Today in this video, we will show you how to analyze a table frame. We will use structure beam and a solid element during analysis, and we will find out what is the difference between them. Without wasting time, let's start it. First step, go to frame. Right click frame, click open part. Go to Silver Add-ins, click Solidworks Simulation, go to Simulation, click New Study, choose Static Analysis, and make name analysis is Frame Static Analysis. OK. First analysis we will use beam element, and second analysis we will use solid element. The second is mean beam element, and we will use material is IC 1020. Now insert a fixture, right click fixture, click fix geometry, make length point as a fixture point. Click this point, this point, this point, and this point. OK. Now we will insert the force. Right click external load, click force, choose this, click this point, and this point. Use top plane for direction, click this, insert force is 75 Newton, and click reverse direction. OK. Insert force again, click this beam and this beam, make top plane for reference, click this, make force is 20 Newton, check per unit length and check reverse direction. OK. Now go to mesh, click create mesh, see after mesh create, run this simulation. This look like the structure is easy to break. Go to edit definition, change unit to MPa, go to chart option, check show max annotation, change to floating. OK. See, the max stress is 9.82 MPa. Still small to the yield strength value. It means the structure safe. Go to displacement, click edit definition, go to chart option, check show max annotation, change to floating. OK. See the displacement in this area by 2.35 mm. Let's see the animation. Now we will analyze use solid element. Make new study. Make study name from static analysis 2. Okay. Change beam element to solid element. Click all these beam element. Click treat selected body as solid. Now the frame cut list is solid element. Make connection. Click component contact. Choose bonded. Check global contact. OK. In save picture, click fix geometry. Click this face. This face. This face. And this face. OK. Now insert the force. Go to external load. Click force. Click this face. And this face. Choose top plane for reference direction. Click this and make force is 75 Newton. Check reference direction. OK. Insert force again. Click this face. This face. This face. And this face. Make top plane for reference direction. Make force is 20 Newton. Check reference direction. OK. After that, we create a mesh. We use standard mesh. OK. Oops, we have a pilot mesh. Before we fix that, wait process until done. Go to cut list. Click all valid mesh. Right click. Click create mesh. OK. Create mesh again. OK. Still have a valid mesh. Do it again. See, the mesh is ready. Run the study. See, analysis is ready. Go to edit definition. Change it to MPA. Check show max annotation. Change to floating. OK. See, the maximum stress is 60.29 MPa. The value is different with Ben's element, but the point of the maximum stress is same. The structure is safe, but if fatigue occurs over time, this part will break. Maybe it needs to be a holder or the wall is thicker. Go to displacement. Click edit definition. Check show max annotation. Change to floating. OK. See, the value is only 0.4 different from the bin element value analysis, and point of maximum displacement is same. The conclusion is the value of stress and displacement is different, but the point of them is same. I think it's the end tutorial. I hope you like it and enjoy learn Solidworks use my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.